So no air show video. They're charging between $75 and $100 just to park. And that's if you can find a space. So it's absolutely insane down there. The bay, there's hundreds of boats. Even by the sandbar in front of Hooper's, it's just wall to wall with boats. So I have one more spot I'm gonna try. We've been driving around for the last like hour trying to find a spot. We did find one, but it was so far away that we really couldn't see much, and we couldn't tell what was going on. So we're gonna try one more spot, and if we don't find it, oh well. I'm in West Ocean City, the commercial harbor, and it's all filled, lined with cars. Everybody has their boat out there. I have one more spot I'm gonna try all the way at the end, down by Sunset Marina. If there's any parking down there, I doubt there is. There's the thunderbirds. We're fishing in our neighborhood. They're flying overhead. The air shows today. That's awesome. All right, day two, attempt number 2 of the Ocean City Air Show. We're gonna head down to the inlet or somewhere near there and try to see the planes. This is my favorite event of the year, so rain or shine, I don't want to miss it. But we made it to the inlet. Tons of parking today. Everybody was going home. 90 was all backed up, 50 was all backed up, so we got front row seats today, hopefully, right?
Yes.
Got my buddy with me. He's got the binoculars.
Hello.
We're gonna try to hopefully see some planes. I haven't seen anything about cancellations. I've been trying to check, but I went to their Facebook page. It didn't have anything, but their Instagram, if you can read it, if the camera will focus. Well, it says the air show is a go. Look for live coverage around 11:30. Or you can live stream it. So I went to the live stream. It says weather delay, plan to resume show after 2 p.m. So we didn't make it. Ah, man. That's pretty much how my life has been going lately.
Missing everything.
Missing everything. You made me lose a fish. There you go. All right, we'll be back. We're gonna try. I guess I'll keep watching it and see if they update it or whatever, or if they have it today, but I don't know. We made it. Rain stopped. They just started the air show, I would say like 30 minutes ago. One of the planes is flying now. That's the smoke trail that's right here.
No, too.
So we're gonna stay here for a minute and see what we can find. And then they have a Hawkeye, a Globemaster. Coast Guard does like a demo, like a search and rescue demo. They have an A-10 Thunderbolt, F-18s, and Thunderbirds. All right, me and my homie are gonna walk up to the pier up there. We're gonna try to film it up there. The planes seem to be coming more over the pier, so it should be a better view. comes, coming over the hotels.
Yeah, do you think that's... Oh, there you go. Wait, Dad. What if we flew underneath it? That sounds like thunder.
That does sound like thunder. That's awesome.
I'm not expecting it.
You didn't.
Oh, it's a spiral? One's flying higher, one's flying lower.
It's a very familiar sound. We dealt a lot with them in Afghanistan when I was there. It's the A-10s. Is your side okay?
No, I hit this.
It's back your side?
Yeah, and I hit this. I have a giant bruise on it.
There's 4 A-10s. There's one there, one there, one there flying across the water, and then there's one coming in down the beach.
All the way down to the end.
There's 2 coming right at us. Do you see them? They're shooting like right there.
Where?
They're coming right down the beach right now. That's awesome.
Good to see the new ones.
The new ones. There are some new ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We haven't seen the one with the spiral.
No.
We didn't see that one.
No, we haven't seen that one before.
Yeah. That's the new.
He's talking about the Hawkeye, the E2C. There used to be a guy with a biplane that was over here a lot. We haven't seen him. They have someone else.
Oh, I was about to say.
I think they're all coming down. Yeah, they're in like a formation coming down the beach now. They're way out there. That's awesome. down now. And here they come. Wow. We're out of here, headed back home. The weather, this is insane. Rain this morning and wind, and now it's sunny and a little bit breezy. It's not too bad. So that's it. Ocean City Air Show for 2022. All right, I'll see you later. You want to be on video?
Bye bye.
You want to say bye? Did you have fun at the air show?
Yes, that was fun.
What was your favorite part?
The thunderbirds flying on.
Yeah, mine too.